I got a Glock in my Rari. 17 shots. I'm like, yes, he's mine. Wonder when she'll be mine. She walked past like praise rewind. We'll see that as one more time. I got this soul. Go fuck yourself!
I didn't get on. Well, end of the line.
Welcome to City 17. You have chosen or been chosen to relocate to one of our finest remaining urban centers. I thought so much of City 17 that here, in the citadel so thoughtfully provided by our benefit, whether you are here to stay or passing through on your way to parts unknown. Citadel so thoughtfully provided by our benefit.
У меня обычный миграционный билет, как у всех.
About that beer I owed you.
Yes, Barney, what is it? I'm in the middle of a critical test.
What gives them the right to make this kind of decision for mankind?
Inizia sempre così. Prima un edificio e poi tutto isolato. Vamos, sigue.
No, you don't! Dr. Freeman, I presume. I better hurry. The Combine can be slow to wake, but once they're up, you don't want to get in their way.